This week at the off-grid cabin.
The snow is coming.
And the woodshed is just about empty.
I gotta get to work.
This storm is supposed to be big, calling potentially for a few feet. When you live alone off-grid, you do all the prep. Both outside
Oh my God.
and inside.
It's Sunday morning and I'm making sourdough.
But
The snow is coming. So as much as I'd like to stay inside and baby my sourdough, I gotta get to work.
I'm kind of a sourdough rebel. I don't have banneton baskets, I use a razor blade to score my dough, and I use a makeshift bread box with hot water bottles to keep it warm. People have been making sourdough for hundreds of years without any fancy equipment, so like them, I just use what I have. I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life, and see if I could not learn what it had to teach.
What did I do? I got so carried away that I forgot about my dough. She might be overproofed. I'm still gonna shape it and put it in the fridge and see if I can save it. Oh my God. I don't know what kind of shape she's gonna go into. Get this out in the fridge. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. This is how we learn. See y'all in the morning.
And not when I came to die, discovered that I had not lived. I did not wish to live what was not life, nor did I wish to practice resignation. I wanted to live deep and suck out all the marrow of life. This is not the big storm. This is the tease before the blizzard. The big one is due to hit tomorrow. I'm gonna go check on that sourdough and see if I'm baking a loaf or if I'm baking focaccia.
The dough looks great this morning. We'll see what happens, I guess, when I take it out and score it. I've been preheating the Dutch oven, so that's nice and hot. So let's take a look at this dough and see if it passes the poke test and go from there. That is a blob. Okay. Okay.
By this time tomorrow, some of our favorite spots will be unreachable, buried in snow. If I don't get these dogs out into the woods today, we might miss our chance.
Okay, I'm gonna take the lid off. This point of the bake is usually a pretty good indication of whether or not it's going to rise and be a suitable loaf. So let's see. Oh my God, I think we're gonna pull it off. I'm both shocked and relieved. I also feel like if I pull this loaf off, it's gonna give me false confidence for the next time I overproof a loaf.
My little dog's a fair weather adventurer at heart. Minimal miles, maximum treats. I'll let her hoof it the rest of the way home to get some exercise before the storm hits. I predict a fireside nap in her near future. Let's go.
I'm anxious to see how it turned out. Wow. It's not a perfect loaf by any means, but I'm perfectly satisfied. I'm gonna taste it. The flavor is really good. Might be the most sour flavor I've achieved yet. It's a good loaf.
Our life is frittered away by detail. In the midst of this chopping sea of civilized life, such are the clouds and storms and quicksands. By dead reckoning, a man must be a great calculator indeed to succeed.
Sweep you off and then we'll get you in, okay? Good boy. Let's go.
Finally got some weather.
Finally!
Yeah,
It only took a few months.
yeah. We'll get some more later tomorrow, I think, too.
Okay, cool. Oh my god!
He's trying to knock that tree down. He and I have been talking about this tree for like a year. That's awesome. I told him I wasn't comfortable taking it down because of the way it's leaning, but I think he just gave me a really good head start. That's awesome.
The snow always gives more than she takes. She gives a deeper appreciation for the warmth of your tea. She makes you work for it, but she softens the world's edges. She might eclipse your mountain view, but give you incentive to look inward and to look closer at what's right in front of you. She creates a sunset playground, reflecting the last bit of sunshine clinging to the earth. And right now, I'm so happy she's returned. See y'all later.